Hello, my dear students. Today we're going to start a new chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn more about two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. We will know how to combine them, what are the angles of the two-dimensional shapes, what are the features and the characteristics of the three-dimensional shapes. We will know a lot about geometry. So, before starting our chapter, today we will take Show What You Know, page 702, and Vocab Builder, page 703. Let's start together. Show what you know. Now, here in Show What You Know, the first question says, circle the shape that has two equal parts. So we need to circle the shape that has two equal parts. Now let's look to question number 1 first. Now what is the shape that is drawn here? Can someone tell me? What is the name of the shape? This is a circle. How did I know that this is a circle? And this one too? Because it is curved. Okay? So, which shape has two equal parts? Let's color it in order to find out. It will make it much easier for us. So here, we can make it like this. Okay, and here we can make it like this. Now, which shape has two equal parts? As you see here, the first shape we have a small part and a very big part. So, this is two unequal parts, or we can say two unequal shares, because they are of different sizes. They are not the same size. What about the other one? Yes, those are two equal parts. So we will circle this shape because it has two equal parts. Now, what about the other shape? Question number 2. What is this shape? Can someone tell me? Excellent, this is a square. Now I need to ask you a question. What is the difference between a square and a rectangle? Think about it. What is the difference? Excellent, good job, boys and girls. A square has four equal sides, four sides of the same length, while the rectangle has two long sides and two short sides. So the sides of the rectangle are not equal. The rectangle has no four equal sides. Now let's see here. In this square there is a line that is drawn here. Which line created two equal parts? Which shape here was a line that created two equal parts? Excellent, it's so clear. Yes, this shape. Now, after finishing the equal parts, let's identify the three-dimensional shapes. Circle each. What is this shape? Can someone tell me? Is it a circle? No. Why? How did I know this? Because we are identifying the three-dimensional shapes. And circle is a two-dimensional shape. It's not a three-dimensional shape. So circle each. Sphere. Excellent. This is a sphere. Now, which picture of those four pictures is a sphere? Excellent. The football, the soccer ball, and yes, I think this is for tennis, but it's a ball too, so it's a sphere. Now, I need to ask you a question. Does the sphere have a flat surface or curved surface or both? Let's think together. Now, this is a sphere here. Do you see any flat surfaces? No. And what about the curved one? Of course. So it's curved. Okay, it has curved surface. That's why it's so easy to play football using a ball. What can happen if we use a cube, for example, as a ball? Can we easily play with it? Can it roll easily? No, of course, because it's not curved. Only the curved shapes can roll. So a sphere can roll and it has a curved shape. Now let's see the next question. Question number 4. Circle each. What is this shape? Excellent. We call this shape cube. Now, which shape of those 4 shapes looks like a cube? Amazing! Good job, boys and girls. Of course, the wooden block. Now, what about the cube? Does it have curved surface or flat surface or both? Let's look to this wooden block. Do you see any curved surfaces? No. What about the flat surfaces? Yes, the cube has how many? 6 flat surfaces. Of course, I'm revising with you the geometry part that you should have taken before in grade 1. That's why I'm trying to refresh your memory and try to give you more details and explaining more information so you can revise with me what you already know. And if you didn't know those informations before or this kind of information before, I am giving you the new information. So before starting the new chapter, you will understand and you can catch up with us. Okay? So here, identify shapes. Now circle all the shapes that match the shape name. Now triangle. Triangle. I always say to grade 1 that tri means 3. So we are talking about a shape that has 3 sides. 3 sides means 3 vertices or 3 corners. Let's search for the shapes that have 3 sides. No sides for the circle, of course, and this is the circle. It could never be a triangle. What about this shape? Yes, it has 3 sides. It's a triangle. Let's circle it. What about the next one? Excellent. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides. What about this one? It has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So can I circle it? No, because this is a rectangle, not a triangle. Now, the last question here, it says rectangle. We should circle all rectangles. Now, the first shape. Excellent, good job, boys and girls. This is a rectangle. What about the next one? This is a circle, a triangle, and last, this is also a rectangle. And as I told you before, a rectangle has 2 long sides, 2 short sides. And that's what really makes it different from the square. Because the rectangle and the square, both of them have 4 sides, but the idea is about the length of the side. For the square we have 4 equal sides, 4 sides of the same length, but for the rectangle we have 2 long sides, 2 short sides. Okay, now let's watch the next video, which would be about